Hi guys, welcome back to day 6 of our summer series. So today I'm going to be doing a sheet mask instead of a regular facial mask, and this is a coconut brightening sheet mask. So the first ingredient would be some very freshly prepared coconut milk. So I just grated some coconut, put it in the mixie, and I've just taken the milk from that. So this one is a great ingredient for people who suffer from really dry acne prone skin, because this is going to be moisturizing your skin and keep your skin hydrated and soft smooth for the rest of the day. And I'm adding just a pinch of turmeric to it because this is going to be also reducing your suntan. So I had a friend who told me that coconut milk used on your face every day gives you an instant, very natural glow, like a highlighted glow. So I thought of using that today on my sheet mask, and I used like 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, and I mixed like a very minimal amount of water, and I got this coconut milk, and I used the sheet mask, which is readily available nowadays in the market. You get it everywhere. So this coconut milk is very essential for your hair, and now it's very essential for your skin as well. So I started using this coconut milk face mask about 2 months ago, and I really had a lot of differences in my skin texture, basically because it's rich in vitamin C, and also it reduces your premature aging. So people who are about to touch their 30s, or if you're about 28 plus, then you really need to take care of your skin, because it's going to be starting to its process of aging. So this one stops or reduces that, and it's a great ingredient for the dry skin beauties, because it's going to be keeping your skin moisturized for the entire day. So I applied the sheet mask all over my face, and as you can see, it gives you an instant inner feeling of glow on your face. So I just massaged the coconut milk, is whatever is is left on my skin, into my face, and I just washed off the mask with normal water. So basically turmeric and this are very important to your skin, and if you are late from your work, and if you have been spending your complete day on a very sunny day, then completely try this. This is a very good mask. I personally really love this sheet mask. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this video was kind of helpful to you, and this is day 6. So I'll be meeting you all in my last one of day 7. Till then, take care. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.